Just a couple of decades ago, a safe vehicle was one with a high-strength body, good distribution of forces in the event of a crash, and a solid set of airbags. As automakers continue to push the envelope of what is available in the world of safety tech, we have seen a measurable drop in the number of collisions, serious injuries, and fatalities. Here are 6 cutting-edge technologies leading the way in 2016 towards a safer road ahead. 360-degree camera systems. Even inexpensive subcompact cars come with a rear-mounted backup cameras these days, but some cars take this a step farther with 360-degree systems that use multiple cameras to provide a bird's-eye view all around the car. Pioneered by Infiniti and its Around View system, they augment the cameras with radar and sensors to digitally recreate what you might see if you were looking down from above. This represents extra utility for very tight spaces like parking garages, where a backup camera alone might not do the job, also allowing the driver to check blind spots to the car's sides both safely and quickly. Seatbelt airbags. One of those "why didn't I think of that" ideas that was pioneered by Ford and is now starting to make its way to more and more production cars. Seatbelt mounted airbags provide extra protection from injury, especially for rear passengers undeterred by traditional airbag systems. The airbags use a buckle with a unique design that allows cold compressed gases to flow into the seatbelt, where an expandable airbag section breaks through the fabric to protect occupants should the car detect a collision. During everyday use, they are slightly bulkier than regular seat belts, but still quite comfortable. Laser headlights. Audi, BMW, and others are ready and waiting with a new ultra-bright headlight technology that has still not received approval from regulators for use on public roads in many countries. These systems consume around half the power of LED lights and feature the ability to illuminate the road for up to 2,000 feet in front of a car. To prevent unsafe conditions, laser headlight systems work with the vehicle's cameras and sensors to modify their light pattern many times per second so as not to blind other motorists. Automatic collision prevention. As a precursor to fully self-driving cars, many of today's advanced models feature a number of systems that can already stop, accelerate, and steer a vehicle with some degree of autonomy in response to sudden changes in driving conditions. Lane keeping assist reads lane lines to help a vehicle stay pointed in the right direction should the driver's attention waver, while automatic braking systems help lessen or prevent frontal collisions. The most advanced of such systems to date is Volvo's City Safety, available on the new 2016 XC90 Sport Utility, which combines a robust suite of active safety aids with a goal of preventing all serious accidents altogether. Pedestrian detection. Too often, these situations stem from an ill-advised street crossing that drivers do not expect. Automatic pedestrian detection systems are trained to make out of the shape of humans, pets, or bicyclists, illuminating them on a car's windshield head-up display. These systems, coupled with car hood designs that are less low to the ground, have the potential to cut down pedestrian deaths by a factor of 10 as they gain greater adoption. Fully autonomous cars. Forward-thinking trendsetters within the auto industry now believe that the best way to prevent accidents is to take the most unreliable factor out of the equation altogether, the driver. From Google to Volvo, Tesla, Infiniti, and Apple, several companies have fully self-driving cars planned for commercial release coming very soon. Completely autonomous vehicles are expected to hit the streets as soon as 2017.